Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this sewing machine. It's a portable cordless sewing machine. I have received this to review and I start with the box. So this is how the box looks like. So I would say relatively a cheap looking box, but let's don't judge the book by the cover. Let's open this up and see what we have got inside it. It's pretty small, so I'm very curious what is the usage of this and how does it work actually. So this is the box. Looking at it, we have got different types of sewing, I believe, and it says it's quite a powerful one as well. It just needs 2 batteries, AA batteries, and from the box itself you don't see much of information, so it's ideal for quick repairs. With the battery can be used, so it could be used for silk material. And basically this is, we need to open also this one here. There we go. And this is the box. So this is how it looks like. Quite a strange box, I would say. And this is where we can open it. And here we are. So that's quite interesting. So you have pretty much different colors. That's quite handy actually. However, I'm not really sure if anyone would really need all these colors, but what is missing is the main colors, the black or the white color, which is very strange that they don't have it here. Fine, maybe somewhere else. So, well, exactly. So we have the white one. For whatever reason it's splitted. This is the user manual, probably. Directions for the use. So basically it's a little bit of information as to how this can be adjusted and used. So it's adjusting the thread tension or adjusting the stitch itself, things like that. So it's not very readable, I would say. So from the pictures I almost cannot see any numbers or something. These are the different parts: the set screw or tension control, fastening plate, threader, extension, and so on. So let's see what we have got more in the box. So this is the device itself. So let's open this as well, and there we go. So this is the device. Quite interesting looking device. So this is the battery. To open the battery, well, we need to drag it this way. We need the AA batteries. So we need actually 4 batteries to use this. Yeah, I would get 4 batteries now to put inside this. Alright, now I've got 4 batteries. Let's just put these batteries inside it and give it a try. So there we go, the second one, third one, and the fourth one. I hope I put them in the correct direction. Well, I'm not sure how to open this, but fine. I think we need a little bit of info on this user manual. So operate the machine for 10 seconds and then pause for 5 seconds. It can be used again regularly. Interesting. So make sure machine is in locked position. See the diagram reserved. So where is the lock? Okay, so this is our lock or unlock. So this is the lock and this is the unlock. However, this one seems to be somehow stuck in here. So let's see how we can release that. So let's see what else we got. Number 2, lift up the fastening plate and make sure you do not push it down to the needle arm. So we need to open it from here. Yes, that's correct. Now it's opened. So it seems like this one somehow it like exactly. So this is what happens. So this one is actually kind of gear which opens it or closes it. So when I open it, check this out. So it opened it completely. So this is a sample, probably they have done themselves just for a check or a review. Actually really interesting. It looks like really the real ones. Obviously I'm not the expert in sewing machines, but this looks quite nice to me. I mean, like, nicely done. So what's the next step? Number 3, pull at least 2 inches of the thread through the needle from the back to the front prior to starting new. Starting to sew, you need to hold well, I'm a little bit lost. So from back to front prior to starting to sew. I do not get it really. So number 4, hold the handy switch stitch with right hand and operate power switch with thumb. So which means when you open it, you can press the power. Well, for some reason doesn't work. So we had to open it. We have already opened this. Well, this is what they were talking about. So we need to pull this up and then put that one back. So this is exactly how it looked like from the both sides. Okay. But now basically it should probably work, unless I have put the battery wrongly. Let's check this one more time out. So this is supposed to be the head, and probably these ones are supposed to be the back. So there's no information about, there we go. So there is information about the battery. Funny enough, at the very end of it, so it's minus minus plus plus. So this is the plus, obviously, so we need to switch them back, which means this is supposed to be minus, this is also minus, and well, got stuck. One more, and this is how it should be basically based on this information here. Let's try one more time. So this is unlocked, still doesn't work. Well, let's check it one more round. What are we doing here wrongly? So this is the lock or unlock. So it says to replace battery, see the diagram below. Note, make sure machine is in a lock position prior to the battery replacement. So actually this looks good to me. This plus, this is minus, and you can see here as well. So but on the other hand, this doesn't make sense, because if this is plus, it can, well, this plus can connect to this and this minus to that one, so it makes completely sense. So what could be the problem then? I am not sure. So I don't get it. I don't see any other place where we should prepare. What else can we do in here? A quick update everyone, after 10-15 minutes of struggling with this product, changing the battery, reading the instructions, I'm unable to get it running. So my conclusion is it's broken, or I'm not sure what's the problem. I couldn't get it running. if this would have worked, would have been really amazing. I mean, just think about it. Something portable for sewing. Pity it didn't work. Just a quick remark in terms of the price. This product on the 1688 product in China, which is basically the main supplier behind most of Amazon products, the price of this thing is 1.5 yuan. Just think about it. Yeah, and the price which you can find it on Amazon is around 30 euro plus, just for this particular product. Well, I would suggest to give a little bit more money. I mean, find something a little bit more reliable. I do not recommend this. Just look at it, it didn't even work. Hope you like this video, and I always have new videos coming up reviewing different things. Make sure you subscribe to stay tuned, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have questions, let me know down below in the comments. And see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.